Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can install the Easy Home Screen app. In order to do so, here we are at easyhomescreen.com. And what is it all about? Well, you can streamline your device, simplify your life, transform your smartphone into a peaceful and elegant oasis with our all-in-one app for easy reading, searching, and management. And if you're interested, you can download that for Android. Make your device feel like home. Personalize your home screen with all the apps you love. Quickly access the system setting with a swipe. Simply switch to large font mode. For easy reading. And again, if you are interested in the Easy Home Screen app, you can come to easyhomescreen.com. You could download it from here, or you could search for that on the Google Play Store. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business and offers tailored insights to help you succeed. If you check out our YouTube playlist on Cintra, it'll tell you everything you need to know. And if you click on the link in the link tree, you can get 60% off your first month subscription. It's a great app. Highly recommend it. Check out Cintra. And if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.